Welcome dear viewers. Today I will show you that's how you can generate privacy policy for your WordPress website. This is very easy. There is no need. Just in your Google search engine you can search free privacy policy generator. So here are different types of, here you can click free privacy policy generator, or here free privacy policy generator, which you want. Free privacy policy generator, here will be the website. I will choose this. You also choose any other. So same, anything are same. Just click here and that page will be open, and then you have to select apps or website. I have to select website and next page. So what is your URL, and you have to fill up this form for generator your privacy policy for website. I have a website. That's my website URL. I am just copy and paste here. And then what's your website name? I am writing my website name. Here is my website name. So this is very simple and anyone can do that. Okay, so which I am individual, so I select this. And where are you from? I am staying Bangladesh. Here is my country, and selecting that. If you select in other, if you are staying in USA or Australia or Canada, you can do, or Denmark or New Zealand. Here I can select this, all options. If you want, you can, or if you want, don't, you avoid that. So if you are new in my channels, so then subscribe my channel and bell the ring icon. Whenever new video uploaded, that time you can get notifications. Okay, so I selecting no because I don't have that product services. For the reasons I didn't do that. So whenever you can get product services, that time you have to select. If you select, that time you have to give $12. So other website, their privacy policy, there is no need for that. So I have to select a no. All things I have to selecting no. Okay, and here select. This form is very easy. Whenever you just fill up, that time you read that form and generate your free privacy policy for your website. This is very important for your approving the Google AdSense especially. And privacy policy is needed different types of works. Whenever you just submitting your works in marketing side, that time it is very important. So that's here I am selecting my channel. That's my channel. I am posting my YouTube channel's website add link. Here I'm pasting. Just add. Oh, sorry, no, I don't add anymore, so I have to delete that. Okay, then do you want to privacy policy income CPA wording? So whenever you yes, the time you have to pay some money. Just keeping touch in no. Okay, if you click yes, that time you have to charge in dollar. So for the reasons no need, that's I showing you, that's I am selecting yes, that time that should be say that you have to providing charge like $10 or $20, $30. Okay, and I am going to giving my Facebook pages. Here is my Facebook page. Okay, I am giving that here, and here is the URL. Also I'm giving the username. Here is the URL of my Facebook page. Okay, then I have to select that. So I think all form you have to select if you create a free. If you select yes, that time you have to provide that mentionable dollar. So I think don't do that. Just keep in touch with no. I damn sure that's I fill up yes in 2 items that's they have and last time they have to told me that you have to provide that total that's dollar. That's my email. Okay, so whenever you fill up completed your form fill up, that time you just press next pages and generate. That is will be generating, and there is no need dollar. Here is some things they are updating email, confirming email that you are pushing here. So here the privacy policy already created, so you have to edit some things here. I will show you which issues have to some editing part. I will show you live here, so don't skip. I'm just showing you which part you have to edit. That's very important for your privacy policy. So copy, or you have that should be copy for your clipboard, or you have to open here in your direct in Google search. Here you can copy, and whenever that's your privacy policy is already created, generated. Okay, so you have to select Control A or drag and drop. You can select this all and copy and open a Word file. So we have to edit some things that's very important. So here is we can creating here. We are opening a Word, and here is creating that post. Here we are pasting, and we have to select here for editing some issues. Okay, so read carefully here. This is and this will be, you have to delete according to your privacy policy. You have to delete that, and also you have to delete some things which is very important. This will be, you have to delete, and anything else. So I think there is nothing to delete anything. So I suggest you that please write the policy. If you any edit or delete, you can edit so more things in these pages also. If you add or delete anything, you can do that. Okay, so I think this video will be help you. So how can easily you can create without plugging anything in free, and just open your privacy policy page and copy that in your privacy policies paste post. Okay, edit, and here you can paste the privacy policy free generator. Okay, so just here you can update it whenever you update it, and there should be okay. Then whenever I click privacy policy here, that will be my privacy policy show there. Okay, and also here there's a two privacy policy, you have to delete one. So this. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe and share this video. I hope you support my video. Thank you very much.